Hi friends, welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Today I'm sharing one of my newer little laundry luxury finds that honestly, it makes me look forward to laundry day. Mozi Wash Liquid Laundry Detergent is signature cozy, amber and floral. It's concentrated for 50 plus loads. It uses plant-based enzyme cleaners, and the scent is the kind that feels warm, clean, and really comforting. Like soft cashmere and a subtle sweet trail that lingers on fabrics for days. My closet smells amazing. It's very soft though, not overpowering. What I love most is how lightly scented it is, but it still stays with you. You know, when you pull out a sweater and your closet in a couple of days, after a couple of days of it being there and a couple days later, it still smells really fresh, that kind of clean. I just love it. The notes are cozy and elevated, a little amber warmth with a soft floral and a hint of honey. It doesn't scream perfume, not at all. It just makes everything feel more put together. Bedding, towels, loungewear, even those throw blankets we all live under. And because it's ultra concentrated, you don't need a whole lot. Just a little bit goes a long way. I'm talking a small amount per load, and the bottle lasts quite a while. And it's not one of those huge bulky jugs taking up your whole laundry shelf, right? Mozi also uses plant-based enzymes, which is key for me because I have sensitive skin, which basically means it's designed to help break down everyday messes like food, sweat, and life without you feeling like you're pouring harsh chemicals onto your family's clothes. It's also non-toxic, cruelty-free, and made without dyes, parabens, or phosphates. Plus, it comes in a sleek recyclable bottle and is made fresh in Los Angeles, which I really appreciate. This is one of my new favorite laundry hacks for a beautiful clean scent. It's so lightly scented, but it's there, and it makes everything feel cozy in the best way. Now, a couple quick laundry tips. And these make a big difference in real life. Tip number 1, don't overdo detergent. More soap doesn't mean cleaner. Most of the time, it just means buildup that traps odors. With a concentrated detergent like this, start small and adjust only if you truly need it. Tip number 2, give your laundry room that fresh between washes feeling. Clean the machine. I like to run a monthly cleaning cycle or a hot empty cycle and wipe the rubber seal and detergent drawer. When your washer is clean, your clothes stay fresher longer, and that beautiful scent doesn't get mixed with musty old washer smells. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my links at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.